Hello. So we just finished 224 or warm up number 24, and we put that on a Google Sheet, SKP2. And the next one we're going to do is 22. I think 23 is the same as 24. So if I looked at 23, 23 and 24, I believe we're the same. Yeah. So we're going to skip 23 and we're going down to 22. And on 22, it looks like this. Okay. Um, so let's go back to SketchUp and we're going to save and we're going to start a new file. It says purge, so just answer yes. We're going to name this, go to Google Drive and SketchUp files, and we're going to put in 222. Okay, so 222, save. We don't want this lady anymore, so we're going to select and delete her. And then we're going to switch our scene to Southwest over here. Simply click on it, and there you go. Close this now. All right, so I'm going to bring down. Okay, nope, cancel. So one way of doing this, a different method this time. This one is basically a 3 by 3. Okay, so this is a 3 by 3, and each cube is 3, so this is a 9 feet by 9 feet. So what you can do is you can make a 9 feet 9 feet, so we can use a line to draw lines like this, right? 9 feet, so 9 feet, so I'm using, oh, that's 9 inches. uh, Undo, click here, go to the green, type in 9 feet. Okay, 9 feet, and press enter, and then go again on the red and put in 9 feet and press enter. Go on the green again and then type in 9 feet, press enter. Oh, 9 feet and press enter, and then go back to the start. So you can do it that way. Okay, and then you want to make a box. The overall size of this one again is 9 feet tall. So instead of drawing a line 9 feet as we usually do, let's try to use another button here. Okay, this button here is called push and pull. So what you can do is you can click on this one, and then we're going to use the push and pull button. And what it does is you can click on this one, click, okay, and don't hold it down, just click once, and then you can now drag it up. Okay, and then while you're dragging it up, do not click, you type the height. What you're doing is you're pulling it from a flat. So I'm going to press escape, push and pull, click, do not hold it down, just click, and then drag it up, and then type on your keyboard 9 feet. Okay, 9 feet, and then press enter. There you go. So that is 9 feet all around. Okay, instead of doing the lines individually, we can do a push and pull. All right, so that's a new tool that I've just explained on how to do. Just make sure that you do not hold it down. You simply click and then raise and then type. Okay, click, raise, type. So that's how it's done. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw on this side this face over here. Okay, so we're going to draw on this side this face. So let me select this, and so that we can draw on top of here. There you go. And then, okay, there you go. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw this face over here. So this face, oh, so this face, we're going to draw this face, okay, on here. Okay, to draw that face, I'm going to do, I'm going to use my line tool. I'm going to use my line tool here, and I'm going to draw 3 feet from here to here. So I simply click on this corner and then drag with do not click, and I'm going to type 3 feet on my keyboard and press enter. So the 3 feet is now here. Okay, this one is 9 feet total. I drew a line, and you can't see the line because what you're doing is you're marking it. So put on your 3 feet, you click on it, and then you drag up, and that will be a 6 feet tall. So I'm going to type on my keyboard again 6 feet, press enter, and then I'm gonna go onto the green until I hit this edge. Okay, so that's 9 feet. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to again draw on here. I'm going to draw this face, right? That face. So that face is coming from here. I'm going to go and click and then drag on the red, but do not click. You're going to type again 3 feet, press enter, and 3 feet is going to be somewhere here. It's going to be marked by this green dot. So click on it, go up on the blue, and then type in 6 feet, press enter, and then go back until it meets that same corner over there. So now I have now I have now created that intersection, and that's the intersection over here. What I can do now is I can use again my push and pull tool. Okay, push and pull. Simply hover over the surface until you can see that this surface highlights, and this is where you're gonna hold it down. So you're gonna press on your mouse and not release it. So click, do not release, and then move your mouse or move your trackpad. So how can we do it on trackpads? Let me undo because I'm using a mouse. Let me use my trackpad. So on my trackpad, I'm gonna hold on my trackpad with my thumb and then push. No, I have a I have buttons on my trackpad. So I don't know if you have buttons too. Click on the button and then push. So that's how we're doing it. And then simply touch the edge, and there you go. You created that one. Okay. So I'm gonna undo again. Let's see. You can also do it on this side. You're going to use the button on your trackpad, click and hold it down, and then push until you touch the edge. Okay. So practice it on your trackpad how you can push and pull. You can always undo if you made a mistake. Okay. So again, hold the button on your trackpad, hold it down, and then push with your fingers until you touch the edge. Okay. And if you orbit, uh, this is already done in the back and the bottom. Okay. And the only thing you need to do is color. Okay. Select the right face as this chrome color. These are the right faces, and then use a gray onto the left faces, and the top is always white. Okay, and then again, go to the scene that is southwest, close this. Now add your 3D text. Let's make this 3 feet now because it's too small. So 3 feet, and then type again your last name, enter, and then your first name. Click OK. Put the name on the floor. There you go, like that. And then select anywhere outside. And then you are now ready to take a picture of this one. So we're going to take a picture or take a screenshot. So I'm going to take a screenshot of this one and then go to my Google Doc and then paste it here. I'm going to press enter first, go to the next line and paste it, Control V, and there you go. So I have 26, 24, 22. Okay. And make sure that you save your work, purge everything that you don't need, and that's how to do it. So on this tutorial, you learned about using the push-pull by pulling it up, okay, and then pushing it, holding it down, practicing it with your trackpad, how it's done, okay?